Hello and welcome. This is a trackpad from a MacBook Air. It contains memory integrated circuit, a BIOS chip which holds software, firmware to get this entire unit working. What I'm going to do now is take this chip out and use SVOD programmer, put a new dump, and which will contain 3 secret documents in it: a Word document, a video, and an image. And then we're going to put it back here, so which can later be sent to someone as a secure message platform. Here we go. So let's first take this chip out. Alright, now let's take out this memory chip, and alright, now let's take this chip out. We don't want to damage it. Put some flux. It will contain important information. Come in with heat. Memory chip is out. Alright, now the chip is out. We're going to use RT809F or any programmer in that case. So now let's take a dump of this memory chip and we'll write the new contents on it. There we go, he's in. Alright, let's switch over to our programmer software and I'll show you how we're going to embed the files into it. Okay, great. That's the laptop with RT809F running. Okay, let's go. Let's close that. Smart identify the chip. Here we go. Let's read it. Okay. So this was the one that contained the file that we don't want. We're going to do a new one. So here we go. So we're going to call this new secret dot in. Done. So what we're going to do, let's open up our new secret file. This is what's inside it at the moment, pretty much what is originally in the firmware. We can embed the file, like the file we're going to use, somewhere here, somewhere, anywhere we want. We can maybe cut it to pieces and give the sender instructions which addresses to start and cut. It's a bit more detailed, but it's out of the scope for this video. So what we're going to do now is find our files that we're going to use. So let's go to Documents, Top Secret Files. So we got these: a document, a GIF video file, and a image. And we're going to embed all these files into our firmware chip here. So here we go. So what we're going to do, open our document file. So this is the beginning of document file in hex. Hex is a machine format. So we're just going to basically copy all of them, Control C, and make sure this says overwrite, not insert. We want the size to stay the same. And we can give the end user instructions. Say this is the beginning of JPEG, GIF document file. Document. 1 second. All right, so that's the beginning. Now we can paste our file. There we go, that's done. And we can now add more characters to indicate the end. All right, so that's the document file. Now we're going to do the GIF file. Same process, copy everything. And add a small indicator, GIF. Yep. And paste it in here. And add more characters to indicate the end. just for the other receiver to know where to begin and where to end, and the photo file. And we can say this is the JPEG, and paste it in here. That's it. Now if you save the file, the new secret file, as we can see, the size is too big, 414 kilobytes. It needs to be 256 kilobytes. So the way to fix that is very easy. If you open a 256 kilobyte file, you will see at the end it should stop at this address, 0003FFO. So basically what that means is 0003FF. Let's go. Okay, so basically anything after here needs to be cut or deleted. Save the file, and our new file, new secret.bin, is exactly 256 kilobytes. Now we can go back to our programmer and make sure the chip is in. Yep, the chip is in the programmer. We need to now go Smart Identify again. Good. This time we're going to open the newly made file and write. Done. That's pretty much it. So now I can put this chip back in. Why not? Let's do that. Oops, move away. There we go. You get the idea. This can be made much more cleaner, more professionally, less obvious. Who knows, in this trackpad lies 3 secret files. Cool. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.